Hi, I'm Braden Spencer, and today I'm going to show you how to do our summer STEM science craft. So this craft is called exploding soap. And what happens is you put a bar of soap like this in the microwave, and it turns into this. Alright, so to get started, you can, the cool thing is even before you start to microwave it, you can take the little wooden stick that comes in the kit and you can carve the soap. So I can put a little smiley face right in the soap. And you can just have fun drawing on it before you microwave it. So what else comes in the kit is just a simple bar of soap. So you have your soap, you unwrap it first, just like that. And then you place that. First you break it into 3 small little chunks like that. And then what you do is you'll just go over to the microwave, put that right in there for 1 minute, push start, and here's what happens. Now what the microwave's doing is it's making the gas bubbles, the air bubbles inside of the soap expand, which pushes the soap molecules outward, making it the fluffy marshmallow-like substance that it is. Alright, so now it's done, so we're going to open the microwave, and now we're just going to be careful and pull that right out. And so now we have our fluffy mound of soap, and so this is the result of the air bubbles expanding. And this can still be used as soap because it's still soap, and so you can break it off and you can play with it and you can wash your hands with it, or whatever you want to do with the soap. And so now, that's what we get. Well, thanks for joining me. I hope you have fun, and I'll see you next time.